So as you probably guessed from the title, today I'm going to be cooking and tasting a goat head for the first time. Now I was quite reluctant to try this, I'll be honest, and basically what happened is I got a call from my local goat farmer who said she had some heads available, did I want them? And me being me, I sort of felt like I couldn't say no, so well, here we are. I think one of my favourite ways to cook is on an open fire. You can't beat it, and the flavour of the food, everything's just improved. And you get to be outside, what's not to like? So first off is to bring a large pot of water to a boil. And look at that lovely thing. So we're going to add 2 whole goat's heads for this recipe. And those are going to simmer for about 2 hours. And then just remove any of the scum that appears on the surface. Just chuck it away, give it to the dog, I don't know, whatever you want. So these have been cooking for about 2 hours now, so I'm going to remove as much of the flesh as I can from the skulls. Don't want to waste anything. It's a bit like when you have your leftover roast chicken and you boil it up and make a noodle soup or something. And take the tongues out as well, very important. And then just chop it all up. The fun part, crack open the skull and scoop out the gooey brains. Very nice. And then do the same again for your other one, obviously. I was a bit concerned about eating goat's brains, whether, you know, it would affect me mentally or something. Start having like intrusive goat thoughts. So then I roughly chopped a leek. And an onion. And then all of this is going into a pan with some melted butter. And I added a bit of caraway seed, which is a nice one. I add it to a lot of breads and things. And I just fried it up for about 5 minutes. And that is the delicious brains and tongues and cheeks and everything else cooked with leeks, onions and caraway seed. But now is the moment of truth, and I actually have to try this. So this is my first try of tongue and brains from a goat. I'm really not looking forward to this one. Go. That's interesting. Not horrible. It's very creamy. Bye.